In this video, we are going to solve problem B tournament from latest Codeforces round 1034. Before watching the video, you should read the problem statement by yourself at first. In this problem, we are given n, the number of players, j, the jth player, and k, the number of players that remain at last. And we are also given the array A, where ith element mean the strength of ith player. In this problem, we have to choose two players, and between the chosen players, the player with lower strength will be eliminated. And if the strength of the both players are same, then any of them can be eliminated. So to solve this problem, we have to see in the first case, k will be greater than or equal to 2. So for the j player not to be eliminated, we can just choose other players and see what happened. If we don't choose the jet player, there will be no chance for the jet player to be eliminated. We we can see this in an example. This is actually the first test case that is given to us. This is this test case. Here the jet player is 2, and we will choose all the other players and will eliminate them. So at first we can choose any of the pair except 2. Let's say at first we choose 3 and 4. Between these two, the player with smaller length strength will be eliminated. In this case, if we choose 3 and 4, 3 will be eliminated, and the array will look like this. And in the next stage, we also again will not choose 2. We can choose these two or these two. Let's say we choose 4 and 4. So as the both numbers are equal, then any of them can be eliminated. So then the array will be look like this, and the remaining players are now 3. And we didn't choose 2 in this example, so 2 remains in the array. So in this case, if k is greater than or equal to 2, we can always say that answer will be yes. The jet player will be in the last k remaining element. What if k is equal to 1? In this case, the player with the highest strength will be eliminated. If we look at this test case, this is the last test case that is given to us. In this case, if the jet player's strength is highest, then we can say it will be remained at last, and otherwise it will no. In this case, the highest the strength of the player 6 is 6, and we are asked to see if the first element can be in remained at last or not. If we want to check this, we will do the same thing. We will not choose this element, and we will make operation with this remaining element. So doesn't matter how we choose, at last from this element the element that will remain is 6 and the jet elements is 1. So between these two elements, the at last we have to choose between these two, and as we can see the strength of this element is higher. So this will this element will last at last. So we can say in this case, if k is equal to 1, the player with highest strength will remain. And if that player has the highest strength, the answer will be yes. And otherwise, it's no. If I want to show you the code, this is we just check this part. We check for k is equal to 1, and in this part, we check for k greater than or equal to 2. If the jet element is the maximum, then we print yes, otherwise no. And if k is greater than equal to 2, we just normally print yes.